So, I washed out my buddy's truck. Looks a little shinier than before. Got it all waxed up. Yeah. Got her sitting here while I got this truck problems. Okay, sorry about that. I had to cut down the music. Forgot about it. But I got this problem right here. This problem. That door was open yesterday morning. Wide open. So, I gotta go down to Superior. Superior Tires. And get this figured out. This problem. Yeah. So, I'm working with a flat tire. Whatever this is. It looks like a relay switch. I don't know. I don't think it goes to my truck. I'm working with this right here. I don't know what to do with it, because I need something flat, like wood. Doug. Who you are? Yeah. But anyway, I'll get back to you when I get this stupid tire on the back of my friend's pickup truck and down to the tire shop. So, we have two jacks that doesn't work. It's bottle jacks. Like, I could change a tire in no time. But the main ingredients, two main ingredients is a working tire, a jack, and one of those jack levers and those hubcap remover things, the 4-ways. The main ingredients you really need is a jack and a tire and that thing, 4-way. Without that, you're fucked, or you're screwed. Come on, little guys, little birds, just little birds, prairie birds. More expense that I have to spend. But I tell you what, it's well worth it at the end of the day, because if you get it flat somewhere, and this guy, yeah. But anyway, what I was trying to say is that if I was to go down the highway and get it flat, I won't be able to change the tire unless somebody comes along with a jack, which really does suck. Glad I know that now instead of being stuck in BFE, because what is this going on over here? Booger woogers. There is something going on down here. Let's see what this is. This guy has his lights on. He's not a cop. I don't know. It's just a little weird. But anyway, in the meantime, I have till Monday off. Today is Thursday. I don't know if you can see a little bit better. This guy had his lights on. Whoa, we'll get a little close. There we go. I bet you can see it now. Wonder why this guy has his lights on. really nothing around here. Now we got a guy that is staring into the abyss of nothingness. Oh, this dog's taking a crap. So, I got the bottle jack. I went to go tire pricing, and they got the tires in for two of them. They are $153. Not bad, but it's not like I'm driving the Ranger every day. So I am just going to get the tire fixed and see how much it is, because I can always get the tires another day. It's not like I don't have any trucks to drive right now, but I would just like to have my Ranger up and running, so therefore I can use it for emergency purposes. This truck here, it's awesome. I like it. It's my buddy's. I appreciate that he does let me drive his truck. It is just that it's a gas guzzler. To go about an hour, it sucks up more than a little bit more than a car. Well, it's basically 2 hours, if you put it that, driving time. Going there to Fort Mojave and coming back. Look at that guy. The guy was speeding. He was doing 60 or 50 over the hills here. Over the hill. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get that tire fixed. So hopefully I get this done within the next couple hours, because it really sucks. Because I was gonna go and drive it around for a bit. Instead of wasting this gas, I'm gonna put the larger tire, the spare tire that is larger, onto that truck, the driver's side. I wouldn't care, it'd be leaning a little bit, but at least I'm getting it fixed. So, you're probably wondering, why is there a lot of tree limbs in the back of the truck? It's because I cut down some trees that was cutting up the big truck, so it done happen, and I'm sure my buddy don't want a scratched up truck. So I was able to get the front tire fixed, the aid of my friend's landlord. Thank you, Mr. Landlord. I don't want to say your name because I don't know if you want your name to be on YouTube. Boom! Shakalaka laka. So I gotta dump the pile here. Yeah. I gotta get it all out of the truck. Look at this view. Look at that view. And I gotta watch out for that cactus. Right there. So this is the view that I wake up every day. Not that bad. Not too shabby. Look at that. That's the view. And I'm a hell of a driver because I didn't drop my soda. Yeah. How about that? I'm taking a video of it right now on my camera. Wow. Wow, it's on top of the truck. Whoa. I think this is all I'm gonna video for today. I'm going to get a move on for the next vlog. It's been a heck of a day. I trimmed down some tree limbs where I parked my friend's truck. Every time I backed into it, it scrapes the side of the passenger side. So I'm sure he don't want a scratched up truck, so I went ahead and did that. And I got this tire fixed. It's $74 freaking dollars. But the next two tires are gonna be the same. That's $153. I gotta get it fixed because it's wearing out pretty quick, and it's gonna be costly. But anyway, you guys have the rest of the day or night. Make sure if you are of age, please party responsibly, whatever that saying is. And if you're under the age, stay out of trouble. Listen to your parents, and be happy that you're out of school for the time being. But anyway, peace out. Be happy. Deuces.